Okay, we're doing the unboxing here of this Nikon 1 kit that I just received. And I've never used the Nikon 1 camera. I didn't even know this camera actually existed. So I'm eager to open it up, look at it, and try it out. What we got here is the actual camera itself. So the Nikon 1. This is a kit. It comes with a 10 to 30 inch zoom lens. Now we've got a 30 to 110 millimeter lens here. VR, very important. We've got an SB-N7 speed light. Okay, we've got a FT1 mount adapter for mounting all my extra lenses on and whatever. And then we've got the DF-N1000 electronic viewfinder. Oh yeah, this is important, I guess. All right, we'll always start with smallest to biggest. Okay, so let's start with the viewfinder. Okay, open it up. We've got our little warranty card. Got a little pouchy pouch. Got a little baggy bag, protection bag, and this is the viewfinder itself. So this would go in the where you would normally think it was the hot shoe, and it would give you viewfinder capability, I guess, because the camera doesn't actually have a viewfinder. So nifty little device, I guess. Kind of it's kind of a short, covering down for a shortfall of the camera, I guess, of not just having a built-in viewfinder, but well, I guess it's there for people who want it. Okay, let's go to the SB7 speed light. Okay, we got a little warranty card and some manuals here. I'll never look at those. Flash, come on. How complicated can it be, right? We got a little diffuser cover here over the flash. And then, I don't think there's anything else in here. Nope. The flash itself. Put in this nice little bag, nice little pouch. Let's go ahead and open up the pouch. And this is the flash itself, okay? So this is the flash. It's a nice little flash. Very compact, pretty simple design. On, off, ready. Lock, unlock. Uses that same hot shoe mount, so you can either have the flash or the viewfinder. You can't have both. Doesn't look like any real settings to adjust the power or anything. Perhaps it's all in the camera. I don't know. But you can go back with it. You can go forward with it. It's pretty neat. At least it'll give you the opportunity to bounce, and then you can add a little diffuser on it, but beyond that, it doesn't look like you can really do anything else. Okay. Alright, why don't we go ahead and look at the mount adapter. So we'll get through all the accessories and stuff first before we get on to the big mamma jamma stuff. Let's see here. So we got, again, more manuals and warranty information. Again, I'll never use that stuff, but good to have it. Okay. And here's the mount adapter coming on out. Okay. Anything else in here? Nope. Okay, let's open this up. So this allows me to mount F-mount glass to my Micro Four Thirds camera. So this is pretty nice. It's good to have that versatility. Hot shoe mount there. If I want to have a big lens, I can mount it to the tripod. So nice Nikon F-mount adapter. Great. All right, let's go into the main stuff here. The main event. I'm going to push this off to the. No, I'll just keep it right there. Let's go into the VR lens here. 30 to 110. This is a Micro Four Thirds camera. I'm going to say a 60 to 220 equivalent. more documentation. And I'll put all that documentation back into the box, and you know, I'm pretty good about that. Okay, there it is. Ooh, that's a little itty bitty thing. Put this out as well. Okay, anything else in there? No. Alright, so this is just a pretty standard micro four thirds lens as far as I can tell. Wow, it's a really small opening there. 40.5 millimeters. Yikes. Have to get some filters for that. 3110. Okay. There's a button on it. I don't know what the button on the lens does. I guess I'll find out. Is it lock? Does it lock it? No. I don't know. Interesting. Okay. Cool. And this little hood goes right on there. So now you got a full lens hood thingamajog. Okay. Now, the thing you've all been waiting for, the camera itself. Let's look at the camera. Okay, we got some warranty cards, manual, disc. None of this stuff I'll probably ever use, as usual, par for the course. Okay, we've got our power charger, battery charger, a camera strap, USB cable, got a battery maybe? Oh no, this is the lens. Yeah, this is the kit lens that comes with it. Okay, so there it is. It's a nice little 10 to 30 millimeter kit lens. Got your focus. Looks like you don't. You focus with this. But I guess, oh, you choose your zoom with the camera. Okay. Cool. Cool beans. That's great. And then here's the camera body itself. Is there anything underneath it? Some plastic for protection. That's about it. Okay. So here it is. The piece de resistance. Was it in focus? I hope it's in focus. If not, sorry. But this is the camera itself. So you got the cap there. It's a V3, version 3, I presume. Nikon 1, a little dial here for some reason. The lens release. You got your selector menu here for all your different modes. Simple on-off switch. Record button. This is where the viewfinder or the flash goes. Or you have a pop-up flash right here. Mechanical. You got some ports over here, so you can put your mic input. That's nice. Nice to have the mic input. Wi-Fi, good, smart. Your big screen, bunch of buttons here on the side. So, is this a touch screen? Is this not a touch screen? I don't know. I'll find out. I would guess not. It pops out, of course. Let's see if I can do it one-handed. Can I do it? Yes. It does not face forward though. You can't angle it, as far as I can tell, all the way forward. You can angle it up, angle it down. I think that's a real missed opportunity there. You know, you put some neat angles. You can't make this like a vlogging camera. You know, it's just not built for that. You got the battery tray down here. Put your battery in there. Looks like some other ports and stuff. Maybe an expansion port. I don't know. You got your buttons, dials, doodads, all that stuff. Your button up here, record button again, on off. Again, this is your zoom, auto exposure, play button, menu, display, trash, all your basic core functionality. So this is, move this stuff aside. this is the kit. The camera, extra lens, kit lens, adapter, viewfinder, flash. So there you go. That's the whole kit and caboodle. The Nikon 1 kit.